accompanied he joined the former governor, now the FCT minister, for a burial in Obiakpo, which is the local government area of the former the former governor of Rivers State. I think that's the last time most of us have seen him. I won't talk about for other people, but definitely since the governor has been on suspension, I don't recall that I have seen him personally one-on-one or even socially. I've not seen him apart from the time that he attended the Chief E.K. Clark's service of song, which the elders and leaders of Rivers State organized in honor of Chief E.K. Clark. We have issued a statement, and that statement made it very clear. And I, on my own, personally, as Ann-Kio Briggs, had made it clear that one, I could not speculate. I could not work with speculations because, yes, they've told us that they have reconciled. That's, for me, if they've reconciled and they say that they've reconciled, because don't forget, they are the two people that that had issues with themselves. Rivers people are just caught in the middle. And so if they say that they have reconciled, even the elders were asking in the statement we made that if they have reconciled, and the reason for the state of emergency was the fact that they were fighting, why then is the governor still under suspension? Because everything has been settled. And so that is one thing that concerns me as a Rivers daughter. It concerns the elders from the last meeting that we had. And I think it concerns a lot of Rivers indigents, and by the way, non-Rivers indigents that I have spoken to, whether it's in Abuja or Lagos or wherever, are asking the same question, that if they have reconciled, then why is the governor not recalled? Is there any other outstanding apart from the fact that they were fighting? Is there any other reason? So we don't know. Personally, definitely, I'm in the dark. I don't see how a peace that has been declared by both men as they walked out from the villa can be said at this particular moment to have been working. All that is different from before that declaration and now is that nobody is singing songs against the other. Nobody is making statements against the other. The Governor Fubara is not making statements. Wike himself is not making statements against Fubara. So as far as I am concerned, that is the only thing that is different, because the Ibas is still unable to govern Rivers State in a way to satisfy Rivers people. He has presented a budget. He has changed structures, democratic structures, that he had no business changing. He has dissolved bodies in Rivers State that he had no business dissolving. He has made appointments that he has no business making. He has neglected the state. I don't know when was the last time you drove from Obirikwere to the airport. But I mean, it's only because we have to pass there. That's why people are passing there. But I believe that I know it's a health hazard around that place because people are breathing in fumes that are coming in from combination and combustion of all kinds of things. So that is not good for the health of the people. We don't know what IBAS is doing with our money. We don't know how much he's collecting. I don't know what he's doing with what he's collecting. People have not been paid. There is just so much that is wrong, including the appointing, the dissolving of the Rivers Electoral Commission to conduct local government election. He has dissolved them and brought on board, as we all know, I'm just repeating what we know, but these are the highlights of the things that bothers some of us. How do we come to find ourselves in this situation where things have been worse than they were before, and yet Rivers State seems to be calm, and so that calm is what worries me. What's the effect of that so-called calm that we are experiencing? If you look at the plan to conduct local government elections, those are things that are very worrisome. What is the plan? What is the plan? When is the governor going to be recalled? We're now all looking towards the fact that the governor, the 18th of September, will make it 6 months. So is the governor going to be recalled on the 18th of September? Is he going to be recalled on the 19th of September? When exactly are we going to have our governor back? So these are very worrisome questions that we're asking ourselves.